Hi there! Today I'm having a movie night. And of course, the best snack for watching a movie is popcorn. I bought some caramel flavored microwave popcorn at the store and I will cook it according to the instructions on the package. Once the popcorn is ready, I place some on a plate. To add a richer flavor, I drizzle melted dark chocolate on top. This is my favorite combination, chocolate and caramel. I let the chocolate harden. And that's it. I'm all set to enjoy my popcorn and movie night. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.